Hi guys! Ako si Weng, and for today's video, meron na naman tayong panibagong tutorial. So dahil nga maraming update ngayon si iPhone, si iOS, and hopefully sabi ng iba applicable din to kay Android. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Dito talaga ako super excited and super pumped dahil so this is my own account. So, for example, magcha-chat ako or I will type in my real name. So, ito yung pangalan ko and I'm gonna send it here. Pagkatapos, as you can see, hindi ko na big letter yung second name ko. So, I'm gonna tap edit and I'm just gonna change it sa caps lock. So, ayan. Naging corrected na siya. So, hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng unsent dahil pwede na nating ma-edit yung ating text message. And then, okay, another thing guys is dito sa message is we can now generate our own sticker. So, for example, a girl holding a vase. So, ayan siya. Automatic, nagkakaroon tayo ng sticker. So, we'll just gonna add that here. So, sobrang hassle-free na niya, guys. Let's try again another one. Milk tea. So, ayan. Sobrang cute naman ang milk tea na to. So, ayan, meron siyang pa-milk tea. Parang hindi naman, parang coffee naman siya. Pero, at least guys, we can done the lines, for example. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Meron siyang AI sticker at merong gift. So, pwede talaga guys. Pwede talaga. Sobrang lit nito. Cool update iPhone. And then another thing is punta tayo dito sa settings and punta tayo sa privacy and safety. Dito meron ng end-to-end encrypted chats. So medyo hindi ako interested sa end-to-end or pwede naman para secured yung ating account. And the next cool thing is eto yung read receipt. So, kung ayaw mong malaman ng kachat mo na nare-receive mo na yung message niya sa'yo, so you're just gonna hide that. So, people won't be able to see when you read their message and you won't be able to see when they read yours. The bad side lang dito is hindi mo malalaman kung once na inactivate mo to or in-off mo yung show read receipt, sila, hindi nila makikita na nababasa mo na yung messages nila sa'yo. And yet, ikaw din, hindi mo rin malalaman if nare-receive or na-receive or na-seen na nila yung chat mo sa kanila. So, eto yung current cool na update ni iOS and at the same time ni Android. So, good job! Thank you so much sa update na to. Sana sa uulitin, more updates to come.